How to download Adobe Photoshop on your PC. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide it quick and easy and how you can download Adobe Photoshop on your videos. Well, you have two different options. You can either open up Microsoft Store and you can search in for Adobe Photoshop, click on install and it'll start for installation. However, it is a paid one, so you'll have to pay for the service itself. You can simply search in for Photoshop as I've done so and you can choose the application. The other option is you can head over to your browser and on your browser you can head into adobe.com or you can head into photoshop.adobe.com. Once you're here, you'll get this option right here. You can click on continue with Adobe account or continue. You can click on start free trial and proceed for the free trial option, entering in their credentials. However, after 1 week, you'll have to pay for it and you'll get the download link right away. So this is how you can download Photoshop. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.